My name is Kenneth Hill, and I live in Vero Beach, Florida. And I ran across the ad for LeafFilter, and I called them, and they came out. Marty came out, and then I didn't like the price, and they lowered the price because of COVID, and they did that via email or via text, and I said, okay. I don't have any real experience because it's a relatively new installation, but I can tell you they did exactly what they said they were going to do from a price standpoint, from an equipment standpoint, from a material standpoint, and an installation standpoint. And so I was very, very pleased with that, and I checked. And I liked the installer. I thought they did a very good job. And so I'm very pleased